Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color. Circle. Triangle. Pentagon. Heart. Square. Star. Green color. Square. Light green color. Square. Black color. Circle. Dark green color. Triangle. Blue color. Star. Red color. Heart. Yellow color. Pentagon. Light green color. Square. Black color. Circle. Dark green color. Triangle. Blue color. Star. Red color. Heart. Yellow color. Pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.